Welcome to Mind Quiz.
Today, I will show you Guess the Animal by its shadows. Are you ready to jump in the jungle? So let's get started. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Mind Quiz for exciting quizzes and tricky mind teasers. Guess the Animal by shadows? Snake. Guess the animal? Giraffe. Guess this animal? The lion. Guess the animal? Zebra. Complete the animal name? Camel. Guess the animal by shadows? Tiger. Guess the animal? Cat. Guess this animal? Buffalo. Rabbit. Find the odd one? Guess this one? Kangaroo. Who are the genius? Koala. Guess this word? Yes, this is goat. Crow. How many parrots in this picture? Yes, 10 parrots. Guess the animal by shadows? Bear. Find the odd one? Hippo. Find the animal? Elephant. Complete the animal name? Rhino. Find the animal? Fish. Find the odd one? spend night with tiger or snake? Which animal has stronger bite force, tiger or lion? Yes, tiger has 1050 psi. Guess the animal by shadows? Crocodile. Guess the animal? Monkey. How many monkeys in this picture? Nine monkeys. Guess this animal? Ostrich. Guess this. Flamingo. Guess the animal by shadows? Polar bear. Guess the animal by shadows? Penguin. Walrus. Guess this animal? Pelican. Guess the animal by shadows? Crab. Guess the missing word? Mouse. Guess the missing word? Moose. Guess the animal by shadows? Frog. Find the bird. Parrot. Guess this animal? Squirrel. Find the bird. Owl. Guess the animal by eyes. Cheetah. Tortoise. This animal is very lazy. Which animal is it? Sloth. Guess the missing word? Gorilla. Guess the animal by eyes? Eagle. Guess the animal? bat. Guess the animal by shadows? Peacock. Guess the animal by its voice. Duck. Guess the animal by shadows? Scorpion. Guess the animal by shadows?